Now we're heading down to the ReStore in Kingsport, Tennessee. Mark and I decided to stop in the ReStore today. We hadn't been there for a long time. And I overheard a conversation between the manager and someone else on the phone. And I heard her mention eBay. And boy, did my ears perk up. eBay? Does the ReStore sell on eBay? I didn't know they sold on eBay. Did you know they sold on eBay? So I thought, well, I'm going to do a little research on their eBay store and put a little video together and put it out there for you and show you how you can also check and see if your local ReStore sells on eBay. I hope you enjoy this video. It's meant to be informative. It's meant to be fun. The Habitat ReStore has every right to resell on eBay just like we resell on eBay. I do promote the ReStore to find things to resell. And I do find things to resell on occasion. But this kind of explains why there's a lot of low value and broken items on the floor. We all know that Goodwill does this. I just didn't know that the ReStore did too. But they can't know everything. They miss things. This is the ReStore in Kingsport, Tennessee. Enjoy this video. Take it for what it's worth. And if you have any curiosity about your local ReStore, well, follow these steps that I'm going to show you and, maybe you'll want to buy something from them. Buy from your local ReStore on eBay. That sounds so strange to me. And hi everyone, I'm Vicki with avanteavenue. Welcome to our channel. This is another one of my short videos for you. Okay, let's get started. How do you find out if your local ReStore is reselling on eBay? Well, let's go to Google and I'm going to type in Habitat ReStore Kingsport, Tennessee, eBay. And instead of clicking on the charity where it says charity first, I'm clicking on the Holston Habitat right here where it says eBay. Let's go to Visit Store. And what can we learn? They have 212 followers, 100% positive feedback, over 2,600 items sold. Let's go to the About Us page. They've been on eBay since July 16th of 2018. I'm doing this video as of June 2022. Let's go back to the shop and take a look. They have 512 items in their store. Let's go to price plus shipping, highest first. Whoa, they have some expensive items in their store. Look at this, $450 for this vintage Sanborn sterling silver, mind you, creamer and sugar. Let's right click on that and open it in a new window and take a closer look. Let's have some fun and take a close look at this listing and see how they've done. First of all, the title, Vintage Sanborn Sterling Silver Creamer and Lidded Sugar, Mexico, signed. Okay, that's good. Good title. Take a look at the photos. Well, I would say that the background's a little bit dark, but the creamer and sugar does show up pretty well. There's a lot of scuffing. Oh, they put the grams in here. That's interesting. Go through here kind of fast, but Sanborn's Mexico Sterling. Scuffed up inside, definitely used. So what are some of the benefits for shopping your ReStore online versus in the store? Well, something jumps out at me right away. How about 30-day returns? There are no returns at our local ReStores. I don't know about yours, but no returns for us. And I was curious to see here, they do have local pickup, and you will save money if you shop your local ReStore on eBay as far as shipping, because they're shipping within your same city instead of across the country. So that could be an advantage of shopping your ReStore online. Of course, prices are higher, of course, but we're just analyzing this for fun to see. So as I said, 30-day returns. Oh, buyer pays return shipping right here. Let's go into the free pickup. Oh my gosh, they are shipping international. Look here. Look at all the countries that they're shipping to. They are not limiting themselves. Well, they have a few exclusions here, but for the most part, they'll ship to just about anywhere. And then there's local pickup. So there you go. You can shop your ReStore on eBay. Let's go back. As eBay does, they put other advertising within our listings. I know we love that, don't we? And let's go on down, see what they've got for description. So they have their logo, all net proceeds being after fees, will support Holston Habitat for Humanity. Item specifics, they have a few filled in here. And here's the condition. Condition, very good, undented condition. There you go, undented. And then down below, if you wish to pick up locally, please message us after paying through eBay. We do not have this item in our Habitat ReStore. I wonder where they keep it. You will need to make an appointment to have it made available to you in the store during regular business hours. Where do they keep the items until they sell? Under lock and key somewhere? Maybe lock and key? In a safe? I guess you do have to keep it in a safe place. All right, everything looks pretty normal here. I'm going to go back to the main store. Let's see what the lowest item is that they have listed. Now, why would they pull a Fuji cassette to sell online for $5? Why wouldn't they leave that in their store? And then we have some gold-plated high-speed cable for $5. An auto repair book, $9.75. A John Wayne VHS for $5. It's not even auction. It's just buy it now. I'm really surprised that they are willing to pull things from their store and put it on eBay when it's $10 or less in value. Really surprised by that. I mean, look at this. 1960s plastic barrettes, hair barrettes. I mean, obviously they have the right to sell anything they want, but this is stuff that was donated that could have been in their store, and they chose to put it on eBay. I wasn't expecting to see things in this price range. I mean, the store has a lot of merchandise, but really nothing much of value. At least not today when I was there. Hulk, $9.50. Are you kidding me? A fully aluminum juice reamer squeezer in their eBay store. And let's go to their auction items, 32 results. Personally, I haven't seen anything yet that I would buy in their store that they have in their eBay store, at least at the prices they have them. But you know, we're resellers too, so you know what it's like, a reseller trying to buy from a reseller. That doesn't work very well, does it? I don't know, just take a look here with me. I do like this clock on the right with the deer. That's pretty cool, starting at 1975. But at least you could go on to their website and you could copy and paste the title into the eBay search bar on these auction items and see if there's any potential bargains, you know, to be had if they don't get bid up too high. Knickerbocker Lazy Kitty Cat Stuffed Plush Toys. Well, it's got 3 bids. You know, we noticed that their plush toy section was the lowest I've ever seen it today. They are on to the fact that plush toys are selling really well on eBay. Now, these are North American Bear Company. I don't know what these are selling for, but we can find out. All right, well, you got the point here. If you want to shop your local ReStore online, do a Google search and find out if they're on eBay. Would you like to see what sold and how much it sold for? Let's scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says See All. After you choose See All, it brings you to this page. I'm going to scroll down. And on the left-hand side, go a little further here. Just choose Sold and Completed Sales. And guess what? You get to see what they sold, and we can actually sort it by highest to lowest. Let's see how they're doing here. Wow, they sold a Singer featherweight sewing machine for $470, an Omega Meister wristwatch for $375, a backpacking camp stove for $371, a camera for $350. I'd say they're doing pretty good. They're getting some good donations in there. Here's Easton Press Eli Wiesel signed book, leather signed book, $251, Piper Club airplane gauge, $242. And I'm not going to go through everything, but the ReStore is getting some good donations and they're getting some good sales on eBay. But what's their feedback look like? We have to take a look at their feedback, don't we? 371 positive in 12 months and 1 neutral. That's not too bad. Let's take a look at the neutral. What was it for? Some parts were missing. Need to check out to make sure that everything is there. All right, let's take a look at the other feedback. Great deal, great seller, fast shipping, love it as described, quick and smooth transaction, 2-day turnaround, excellent communication, etc., etc. Looks like they're doing a pretty good job. And you know what? Their listings must be private except for this one here where it shows the 1975. Otherwise, we're not able to see what it sold for. Do they leave feedback for others? Yes, they do. They have a generic feedback. And again, as you can see, there's no dollar value. So they know about checking the little box that says private listing. That means no one except the seller sees what it sold for. I like to use that feature because of the make offer feature on our listings. I put this quick video together just because I didn't know. Did you? Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue. and I'll see you soon.